everyone. So this video is about my favorite 5 plants that can be kept in water. It is not about the plants that can be propagated because most of the soft stemmed plants that can be propagated in water. It is about the plants that can be kept in water and for like months or years maybe they'll keep growing at a slower rate, and without being transferring to soil you can keep them in water for the longest time. Okay, so I'll start with my favorite one for water. So this one is the marsh pennywort, or you call it brahmi in the Indian nurseries. So this is basically a weed. It is an aquatic weed in few countries, and we can also grow it indoors and outdoors as per our requirement, and it grows very well in water. Okay, so if you want to see, I'll take it from here. So if you see carefully, I have taken very small cuttings. Okay, so these cuttings are having like a I started these with single stem. Okay, so can you see these tiny stems? So every stem has these roots in clusters at the base. So below every stem you can see there will be many roots. So if you start with even like 5-10 these stems with 5-10 cluster of roots, within a year I can tell you they'll fill up most of your bottles, or most, even in soil they grow like crazy. They literally grow like weed. Okay, so if you see, can you see the tiny budding plants at the base? This one, yeah, it is like a mushroom tip like thing. Yeah, and this is another one. So every leaf has started to have 1 or 2 new leaf coming out from the base. Within few days it will turn reddish, and then it will turn into these smaller leaves, and after few days it will turn into bigger leaves. So can you see, these ones are all the new leaves that have developed. These were the old leaves that I started with in this bottle. Okay, so that's marsh pennywort or brahmi. That's my absolute favorite for water propagation or water display, right? So next, my favorite is this sweet potato vine, also called as Ipomoea. Can you see these shiny blackish leaves, right? So I got basically this stem as a like free gift from my nursery some time back. So I had propagated in soil, and one cutting I had put in the water. So it has got these roots, as you can see, and it is growing well for months now. Okay, it has been in water for almost, I think, 2 months, and it is growing pretty well. I'll keep it like this for some more time. I'll definitely keep one this cutting permanently in water. I'll keep transferring it into soil, but one will be there permanently in water. Basically you have to start with almost 5 or 6 inches of stem. You just dip it into water, keep it like that. Within 4-5 days you'll see the roots sprouting up, and they'll keep growing like crazy. Okay, so can you see there are new leaves also coming every day. It needs direct sunlight for good amount, at least 3 or 4 hours of bright direct sunlight. That's all it needs, nothing else. So this was my second favorite, which was sweet potato vine. Next one is money plant or pothos. As you can see, this is absolute favorite of every Indian home, I guess. Okay, so this is the neon pothos, as you can see, and I have grown almost 3-4 cuttings in this, and this one has started reverting back to its normal variegated form. There are new leaves also. For this I'll suggest, some people say that you can take one leaf and one node because every node has an aerial root, but I'll suggest you should take at least 2 or 3, minimum 3 nodes, because that has higher chances of surviving. I had tried with single node also, but not 100% success is there in that. Okay, so you may end up killing some of these. So I'll suggest at least take cuttings which have at least 2 or 3 or maybe 4 nodes. You just dip the lowest part, take out the leaf from the lowest part, just dip the nodes in the water and keep the uppermost part leaves intact. Okay, so that's about the neon pothos, which is all obviously everyone's favorite. Next one is philodendron. This also looks like pothos to some extent. Okay, here I have, I think, 2 different variants. One is lemon lime, and this one is philodendron oxycardium. So this also grows very well in soil as well as in water. In soil, if you keep the mostic, it grows very well. It has such like stand up leaves and gives such an elegant look to the place. So I have that in soil as well, but this I love it in water bottle as well. Okay, so this is my philodendron. Next and the last one is this syngonium. So this is my all-time favorite, syngonium in water. It grows faster in soil as compared to water, but if you want to keep a good piece indoor and you don't have much space outdoor, then you can definitely keep this in the water. And one more thing, if you are interested in the planters, so can you see, this was basically Amul bottle that I have covered with the jute, and I have मैंने इस पे गोल्डन स्प्रे पेंट किया है. ओके, दिस अगेन इज़ अ बॉटल ऑफ अमूल. ये अमूल का गुड़ दूध रहता है उसका बॉटल है, राइट. उसमें मैंने सिंपली एक ये जूट का टाई करके एक बो बना दिया है, एंड उस पर मैंने स्प्रे पेंट किया है. दिस अगेन इज़ द अमूल गुड़ दूध का बॉटल. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू सी, दिस वाज द वन अमूल कूल जो मैंने जिस पर जूट का कॉटिंग किया है, एंड दिस इज़ दैट अमूल गुड़ दूध का बॉटल दैट इज़ हार्डली 20 रुपीज़. सो मैंने बेसिकली ये बॉटल्स इसलिए ही खरीदा था. आई वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन द मिल्क एट ऑल. मैंने ये सिर्फ आई सॉ दिस बॉटल्स, आई थॉट ऑफ प्लांटिंग माई प्लांट्स एंड आई बॉट देम ऑल. ओके, एंड दिस वन इफ़ यू वांट टू सी, दिस इज़ बेसिकली मैग्नेटिक प्लांटर. इनके पीछे ये लेजी गार्डनर का मैंने ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर किया था अमेजोन से. सो दे आर 2 मैग्नेट्स हेयर, वन हेयर एंड वन हेयर. सो बेसिकली यू कैन स्टिक इट टू एनी सर्फेस. ये मैंने अपने रेफ्रिजरेटर पर लगाया है, एंड it is doing well. So I have 2 of these and I'm using them for propagation as well, and sometimes for display. So that's all about these plants. Thank you so much for watching.